Hi guys, I came to Give Gadgets Fix today, and Give Gadgets helped me a lot previously with my tab because it wasn't that functioning as it has some malware in the software. So they helped me with my new tab. So as soon as they told me that there was some issues with the software, so I got it. I gave it back and got a new one, and they helped me without any charging. Nowadays they are charging for everything, but they have a good heart. And now I came back in to get my screen card for my new iPhone 14 Pro Max. They helped me by giving a discount, but like £5, and they are now also they are helping with everything. So come here and get a check on that. Give Gadgets Fix. Thank you.